Okay, so first to understand the theorems right here, the theorem 1 and theorem 2, everything, what we're going to do is first understand what adjacent angles and linear pair are. So adjacent angles, how to identify if the given angle is adjacent or not. What we're going to do is we're going to look at three properties which they possess. So this is angle AOB right here. So one is that it has a common arm. Common arm in the sense that which arm right here, which divides it into two, what do you say, two angles. That is the common arm. So this is a common arm here. So it has a common arm and it has a common vertex right here. So it has a vertex is basically the point on paper. So it has the same point that all the lines which is rays which are there, they are starting from O. So it has a common vertex and it has non-common arm are either side of a common arm. So these are the non-common arms right here mentioned. One second. So these right here are the non-common arms, and these two are always opposite of the common arm, or not opposite, they're on the either side. They're here or they're here, they're either side. So if these three properties, an angle possesses these three properties, it is said to be adjacent angles. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to learn about the linear pair. So linear pair is the same as adjacent angles, but there's only one difference, that is, see here, this non-common arm which is there, this is to its opposite, this right here, this B. So it was an angle which was like, it was like this, it was like this, where this was O, this was C, and this was A. So what would this be called? This would just be called adjacent angles. So when this B right here is brought down right here to for it to form a straight line, that is, it is opposite to its non common arm. So this right here is opposite, matlab it was here, it came here, so it's opposite to its non-common arm. So when an angle, so when two non-common arms, this is one non-common arm, this is another non-common arm, when two non-common arms are opposite, two non-common arms A and B, and here it is opposite, this is B and this is A. So when they're opposite, then it is called as linear pairs. So now if you know these two, you can understand the theorem 1. You can understand the theorem 1.